I am Henry, working as a full-stack developer at Office Solution. I am going to present a cohort chart. So, what is a cohort chart? Cohort chart is a type of data visualization that help in analyzing the behavior of a group or items over time. These group shares a common characteristics or events within a defined period. So, in this chart, we can see these are the dimension field and these are the measures field. And here we are calculating the period of retentions. So, as you can see, these percentage shows the retention values and this shows the churn values. So, how we are calculating this retention value? Retention values are calculated by number of users retained by total number of users initially into 100, and churn values are calculated by 100 minus retention rate. So, and this feature means this color shows the total number of users of buyer are maximum, and this shows that sum of buyers total number of buyers are minimum, and this color shows that the average retention of this row is maximum, and this color shows the retention value of this field is minimum. So let's start with the premium feature by putting the license key. So as we can see, the two drop downs, these two drop downs shows that first one shows the dimension field where apps, electronics and gadgets are available, and the second one shows the measures field where we see these fields. If we change the drop down, then the retention values are also changes with the values. And here are the alert features. We can put any value in this and set it for retention, and when we toggle this alert on off button, we can see there is a bell icon visible on that cell whose retention values equal to or less than 30%. After that, we are having an export feature where we can download this table into a CSV format. So when we click on this table, we can see that the table is downloaded and all the data are visible over here.